Right, so it's the morning after the night before. I'm not as tired as I thought I was going to be, to be honest. I slept really well, as I'm sure you're not surprised. But they are pretty much done. So the Golf have come in this morning. I've got the wheels coated and back on. I've just got to torque the wheel bolts up. But they're looking so much more glossier now with the coating on. I've got the car back off the ramp, so it looks like a car again. I've done the glass. I have quickly done the final hoover and dust around and put the mats back in. So the interior is looking sharp. I don't really want to touch anything actually. But yeah, the interior is looking sharp. Yep. And yeah, overall, I mean, both coatings now have had time to do their, first delicate part of the curing process. So they're safe now to be driven. I've had the heater going this morning just to keep the temperature up in here. But yeah, look at the gloss. I don't know if you can see on the camera, but the difference between yesterday and today, gloss wise, it's definitely improved. You can tell with this, with the gloss black bits on here, now are just really popping against the grey. Yeah, just a few more things to do. So I've done the glass. I just have the little wheel nut covers. I'm going to give them a clean, coat them and put them back on. And I have to put new plates on. So the plates were coated last night. They'll be stuck back on so I can get rid of the horrible ugly screws that were in the old ones. And yeah, it would be looking really nice. And then both cars are ready for collection. This one is ready for collection. This one I will ring the guy once I put the plates on and torque the wheel bolts in a minute and let him know that's ready. But yeah, I think it looks great. Gotta love a grey car. So yeah, once I finish that, it's time to pack for the show at Castle Combe tomorrow. Which by the time I've edited this video, by the time I've edited any of these videos and got them out, that would have passed. So I hope we had a good show. I also have camo key, which means that the wrapped BMW that we normally look after needs its weekly wash. If I have time, we will see. Plenty going on. I just realised I am quite tired actually, so there we are. I get a bit more walk around of the cars. Sounds like someone's having a party outside. They got that Friday feeling. Amazing what can be achieved with just one step polishing. All thanks to the power of Sonax. There we go. Right, I'm going to finish the last few little bits on this, and I'll give you an update then, and we will get packing for the show. So, see you in a bit. Right, the tiredness is kicking in now. I'm absolutely shattered. I thought I was getting on really well, but yeah, it's hit me like a train. I just had my dinner to try and wake me up, and now I'm on my 4th coffee of today. So, yeah. I'm struggling now. Still have loads to do as well. The shop is partially packed. I'll show you. Oh, just in case you're wondering if I was walking into an M2. Nope, the BMW M2 has been collected. Very happy customer, which is excellent. That's what we do it for. This is the current state of the shop. Yeah, so I still have more stuff to pack. Got to take shelves down and then load it into the L Grand. Just hoovered around quickly to make it nice, ready for the collection of the Golf. Covers on it because I've had to do the wash on the wrapped BMW that I said. So put the cover on it, stop the dust, and then I've hoovered up to make it look tidy for collection, because there's nothing better than walking in and seeing your car, lovely polish, tidy workshop. Yeah, first impressions. So I need to move that forward now. Because now it can have pride of place in the middle, ready for collection. Bit more tidying up to do, a few cloths and that lying around. And then once that's out the way, I think the guy should be here in the next half an hour, something like that. Then I can crack on, load in the van, pull the ARC-7 out. I wanted to get the Elgrand washed as well because it's going to a show. You're representing a Sonex Detailing Academy. It needs to be clean. So yeah, maybe another hour work washing that as well. But the mine's got to be done. That's again, first impressions. People go, oh, they're selling detailing products. Well, look at the state of their van. So not great. Anyway, that's that done. I'm just randomly showing you the Golf undercover for no reason. I don't know what's going on. As I said, the tiredness is kicking in, so the next few video clips could just be absolute mess. I don't know what's going to happen. I don't even know my own name anymore. Right. Yeah, don't even know what I'm doing. So I'm going to leave it there, and I'll catch up with you in a bit. Right, that's it for today. I think everything's packed. The ARC-7's out. She's had the last little thing that she needed before the show, which is a bit of tire shine. And I've put the cover back on to keep the dust off. The Elgrand's loaded to the brim with stock. The shop is now in the Elgrand. She's had a wash. And that last little bit really took it out of me. I'm shattered now. But she's clean. Clean, looking cool. Ready to go. ARC-7's ready to go. The shop is an absolute mess because there's nothing in here. Stuff everywhere. This is what the shop looks like before show because yeah, everything's in the Elgrand. But yeah, that's it. I'm really tired now. I'm looking forward to getting home, having something to eat, and probably just falling straight asleep. Up early for the show. We need to leave about, I think we need to be there for about 6:30, so we need to leave here about 10 past 6, something like that. Yeah, we'll get there reasonably early. And yeah, that'll be it. So I'll try and get some footage from the show. We need to get some nice shots of the ARC-7 in a different environment rather than in the workshop. So yeah, looking forward to that. And well, these are out now, which is something I have just bought. I've bought them for another car which I haven't actually shown you that yet. Another car that is part of the fleet. The badge in the middle gives it away. I will, when I bring it here to put the wheels on, I'll do a little video and take you around the tour of it. But those are the wheels I've been after for a long time, and I finally have them. Yeah, they just dropped in my lap basically, so I had to have them. So that's it. I will see you in the morning when we're... Good morning. You join me in a very noisy RX-7 as per normal. Currently stuck behind a fuel truck. So yeah, going very slow, trying to catch the Elgrand up. I don't know where they are, but they're definitely ahead of us. It's absolutely freezing, -2, so it's going to be really nice and warm. Setting the show stall up. There's a lovely sunrise and it looks like it's going to be dry today, fingers crossed. Right, I get back to driving. I'll see you guys in a sec.
Simple, honest mobile. See smarty.co.uk. Offer ends 4th of May. Coverage and compatible device required.
And we are back in the workshop. Lots to do today. I need to put all of the shop back together after we took it apart, put it back, took it apart, unpacked it, packed it. You know, there's 75 times that we do that. But yeah, everything's everywhere. ARC-7 actually made another journey, made another show. It was a really good show actually. There was some really nice cars there, good people, nice to meet a lot of new customers plus previous customers. It was nice to see some people. The weather though, typical British weather. I mean, it started -2, icy. The sun was out for most of the day, but it was absolutely freezing. I had about 15 layers on, and I couldn't feel my feet for most of the day. We had a bit of rain, and we had snow. It was just stupid. I've never seen anything like it. And then it was probably about 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Well, when we were packing up, probably about 3 o'clock. The sun had been out most of the day, but suddenly the temperature just ramped up. And it was absolutely boiling. I mean, it's probably something to do with being cold all day and having, 15 layers on. Oh, I was absolutely boiling. So was the kids. It was absolutely roasting. But yeah, so I'll show you the state of the shop. Not that I want to. It's probably best not to describe that. What it looks like. Actually, yeah, don't look. Run away, run away, run away. Yeah, run away. So, yeah, I need to get that back together because I have a car being dropped off for detailing. It is an M3, very rare spec M3. And yeah, it's a satin colour from factory, which I've never seen before. And he said I probably haven't because it's very rare. Also got some really trick upgrades on it, so I'll show you that as well. Yeah, and it's in for coating, so I'll be able to talk you through coating on satin cars and how to look after the paint and stuff. So yeah, that'd be good. Anyway, I'm gonna get this done as quickly as I can because last time the customer turned up actually for us to look at the car, Al and Peden was here with their project cars. The place was a mess, so I had to apologise. And now he's going to turn up and drop his car off, and the place is a mess. So I'm going to have to apologise. So I want to get this away as much as I can, so when he turns in, it actually looks like the nice, tidy place that he thought he was dropping his really expensive car off to. So I'll see you in a bit.